Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a dump and go meal that I will be fixing for my what's for dinner. So I thawed out some chicken thighs. This is about 4 to 5 pieces of chicken thighs that I'm going to be putting into the crock pot. I wanted a dump and go meal for today because I don't feel like standing over top of the stove. So I did wash off and let some chicken thighs just sit in some water. I'm gonna go ahead and take those out of the water and put them into the crock pot and get ready to season those with a couple of different seasonings. When I made these chicken thighs, I had no idea what I would be doing with this meal. I just know I wanted something that I didn't have to stand over the stove and do. So this was great. I loved the fact that I didn't have to worry about not cooking it right or whatever. When you make things in the crock pot, the options are endless. I'm going to be using seasoned salt, some Kinder Blend, Creole seasoning, some Original Dash, parsley and onion powder, and of course the garlic pepper seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle a couple sprinkles on top of the chicken thighs. So I was reminded the other day that you literally can put anything in the crock pot, let it roll and go, and you wouldn't have to worry about what it is that will come out. So I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of chicken broth. You literally can add in vegetable broth if you want to. You can also use beef broth. It really does not matter. I think that it's just all about the taste of what it is. But after I go ahead and get this chicken broth put in, I am then going to go ahead and get some of the carrots cut up along with the potatoes and throw those in. You also can throw in like an onion, you can throw in some celery. It's totally up to you. What I had was the carrots and the petite gold potatoes, and I think that this is a really good idea if you don't want to use big thick tomatoes. The little small ones work wonders. I just shaved the end pieces off of the carrots and then cut the potatoes in half to get ready to throw those into the crock pot. Let me be very honest, I do not know what I thought was going to come out of this meal with just potatoes, carrots, chicken broth, and chicken thighs and some seasonings, but I knew that it would come out to be good. I diced up all the potatoes and cut up the carrots, went ahead and got all of that prepared to get ready to go into the crock pot. As you guys can see here, I just put it on top. I let this cook on low for about 6 hours. You guys can let it cook longer if you choose to. The chicken thighs came out really great after letting it cook on low for the 6 to 8 hours. I didn't add any pasta with it, no rice or anything like that. I just cooked it and assumed that it would make some type of soup that would break apart. After that 6 to 8 hours, I did go ahead and take off the top just to see what it would turn out to be like, and I prayed that the chicken would just easily break up like it does with chicken breast, chicken drumsticks, also chicken tenderloin. So we shall see. I gave it a good stir and allowed it to just cook for like another 30 minutes before I decided to go in and see the final result, if it would break apart easily with me using the spatula you guys see here, or if I was going to have to take it out and shred it myself. So here's the ending result of the meal that I created in the crock pot today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope that you all start to bring those crock pots back out, as nobody has time to stand over top of a stove. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing down below, and thank you for watching.